Hello everyone. Today I'm showing you how to record every PC game for free and without a watermark. So first, let's download the program that we'll be using. This program is called OBS, abbreviation for Open Broadcasting Software. I already downloaded it, but I'm showing you these steps in case you didn't know how to do it, so follow my lead. As I told y'all, I already done this before, and all I gotta do is to install it. And there you go, OBS is ready to record. All we gotta do is to select specific window. Doesn't matter if it's window or full screen, or even window at full screen. The program will detect it. You just need to select what you want to record, and the program will do it for you. So now, OBS is capturing the game. Now we have to adjust the resolution. There's a little problem here, black bars appeared, but don't worry, we have the solution. Go to your display settings and check out your native resolution. It will be on top for everyone. A quick reminder, the native resolution is not the same for everyone. For me it's 60,000 by 900 and for some of you it may be 1920 by 1080. So you have to be careful. Thanks for watching everyone and see you soon.